I'm Adam Prezio. I'm Director of Manufacturing Operations here at Promark Electronics. Promark Electronics is a electromechanical connection manufacturing company based here in Montreal. We are a center of excellence within the EV space and as part of a division of Electrical Components International. We use VKS for a lot of our digital work instructions that integrate with all our manufacturing processes within the company. We've been using it since 2016. Its main focus when we started was really digital work instructions, but we've expanded it into all our training, as well as our tool validation, equipment maintenance, and overall standard operating procedures within the company. I'll always say that the best salesman in a manufacturing environment is the factory itself. A client would walk in and see dozens of monitors with the workstations that technicians are currently operating with digital work instructions and drawings readily available and in use. So the best selling feature I think we've always had with our clients to impress them is our commitment to next generation manufacturing, which essentially will translate directly to them. One of the best outcomes that we can directly show through the usage of our digital work instructions is being able to decrease our overall defect rate and increase our first pass yields. So within the implementation of VKS, we can confidently say that we've decreased our internal defect rate by at least 15%, and overall yielding a first pass yield of over 95%. One great feature that we use often is the ability to basically establish checkpoints. So for instance, a very common one is we'll establish a quality checkpoint where a quality control inspector will have to come over and actually perform a certain action. If we are using a new piece of equipment, we'll basically use a checkpoint where our tooling and equipment specialist would come in and basically offer a verification of the tool before an operator continues on to the next job. We've actually used VKS to develop and deliver a lot of our technical training to our technical staff with the ability to basically document and digitize our knowledge base. We've been able to easily communicate that to any either new or existing employee. This allows us to ramp up new staff incredibly quickly. This allows us to be manufacturing ready for new programs where we can essentially design out the new program beforehand. And this allows us to basically maintain a strong level of quality and eventually increase our efficiency as well. Here at Promark, we have a centralized ERP system, which we use to manage most of our activities. We're able to push information from our ERP into VKS so that we can have linking, whether it's work instructions to a given work order, part traceability, affiliated planning sequences, so we know which parts are being worked on at what given time. So it's very important for us to have the ability to communicate or have our ERP communicate with another digital platform such as VKS. Because we have a very, very hands-on manufacturing process here in the cable harness and electrical realm, we believe that digital work instructions is probably the best step in automating a lot of our processes.